Hello.
Hello, nice to meet
How
you.
are you?
Yeah,
Nice to
I'm
meet you
great.
too.
Yeah, I'm great.
Mhm. Okay, Ellie.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Liz.
Yes, yeah,
Okay, do you
beautiful.
want to Sorry, I'm interrupting. I think there's a delay, but do you want to continue with this lesson?
Yes,
Okay. Start from the beginning, or did you finish some slides already?
yes,
Like start from the beginning?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so our changing climate. Let's see. So tell me, when did you first become aware of global warming?
Mm, uh, I I knew about 10, 20 years ago.
Oh, wow. I think that's before most people. How did you learn about it?
Mm, I heard I heard in the mass com like news and
Hmm.
magazine
Okay.
or yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I think 20 years ago, I didn't know about global warming.
Mhm.
I learned about it maybe about 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Um, mhm. What most concerns you about global warming?
Mm, greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas is uh, ga- is added added global warming.
Hmm.
Added global warming. Yeah.
So it's called the greenhouse effect. The
Effect.
gas
Yes,
is
yes,
carbon monoxide.
yes. Greenhouse
Mhm.
effect.
Carbon monoxide. Hold on, let me check the spelling for carbon monoxide. Um, two word carbon. Oh, there we go. That's the name of
Carbon
the gas.
carbon footprint.
Monoxide.
Carbon footprint.
Yeah, carbon footprint.
Mhm.
Um,
Yes.
so the next question is about your carbon footprint. What do you do in your daily life that might increase global warming?
Mm, I think in my life, I think refrigerant is effective uh, green uh, global warming,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, refrigerator represent occur greenhouse gas.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you have a big or a small carbon footprint?
Mm. Small.
Why? Why do you think you have a small one?
Mm. Uh, I I uh, in my daily life is so
Mm-hmm.
small, and I think so.
Okay, so let me ask you, do you drive a car?
Yes, I have a
How
car.
how often do you drive?
Or recently I had drive the every day.
Mm-hmm.
I've drive every day.
I have driven every day.
Yes, I have driven every day.
Okay, so that's actually not so good for your carbon footprint because cars make a lot of carbon monoxide.
Yes,
So unless you have a Prius or a Tesla or some other electric car,
yes.
then do you have an electric car?
No, I haven't electric car yet, but I someday I will buy electric car because
Okay.
that electric car something like electric car
Mhm.
help us help Earth.
So, because you drive every day, I
Yes.
think your carbon footprint might be a little bit higher than you think. Um, I'm going to give you a website where you can do the test to
Mm-hmm.
see how high is your carbon footprint. Like, if you go to this website, you answer some questions, you can actually, they will tell you how big or how small is your
Yes.
carbon footprint. Um,
Yeah. Thank you.
yeah, I think this is a very interesting topic um,
Mm-hmm.
because we don't always realize
Yes.
how much pollution we cause. Um, yeah. Are you taking the test?
Uh, on the test is on the bottom here.
Yeah, I think so. Hold on, let
Yes.
me open the link again. I haven't done it in a few years. I just had the link saved. Um, yeah, so it will ask you questions about your house, flights, car, motorbike, rental, like second. It asks questions about a lot of things.
Yes.
Um, so maybe you can do the test after class when we have more time because there are a lot of questions to answer. Um,
Yes. Thank you,
it's
teacher.
just for interest sake, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh.
so let's come back to the lesson. Can you
Mm-hmm.
please read this paragraph for me?
Yes. Number is so difficult for me, but I try to read this uh, these sentences.
Mm-hmm.
Over the past 100 years, temperature on Earth have gotten warmer by about 0.74 uh,
0.74 degrees Celsius.
0.74
0.74 degrees
degrees
Celsius.
degree Celsius and have been rising by about 0.2
Degrees
degrees
Celsius.
degrees
Degrees Celsius.
Celsius
Mm-hmm.
per decade decade
Per
decade
decade.
decade.
Mm-hmm.
This
Yeah.
this is known as global warming. Some impacts include rising sea levels from melting ice and extreme weather events. A main factor a main factor in global warming is in the increase of greenhouse gases in Earth's oro-
Atmosphere.
atmosphere. Fear.
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Mm.
these gases trap the heat by radiating from the Earth.
Okay. Did you choose this topic, or did another teacher tell you to choose this topic?
I choose this topic
Okay.
alone. Yeah.
Because I'm worried that the vocabulary might be a little bit advanced for you.
Yes.
But we can continue, and if you decide it's too difficult, maybe we can do something else.
Actually, this was it's a little bit difficult for me, but I understand almost.
Okay.
But not perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, so I think some of the words maybe you are not familiar with, but we can continue. And if you feel it's too much or too difficult, tell me and we can change. Okay?
Yes. Yes. Sure.
Okay. So I think the next part we will look at vocabulary. Yes.
Yeah.
So vocabulary, to rise. What does that mean?
To increase in level.
Yeah, good. And then global warming, you know, right?
A global increase in world temperature.
Good. What about extreme?
The most user or the most serious possible.
And greenhouse gas. Good.
Gas that contributes to the greenhouse effect, causes the warming of the Earth's
atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Yes.
What is atmosphere?
Yeah, atmosphere, the mixture of gases around the Earth.
So atmosphere is natural. It's the oxygen and the carbon dioxide and all the gases that exist, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the last one? To radiate.
To radiate, to go out in the form of the rays.
Okay. So use the word in the correct sentence. For example, global warming can have what effects?
Yeah, global warming. Sorry.
That's okay. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello, guys.
What's your name?
Hannah.
What's your name?
Percy.
Percy.
Nice to meet you. How old are you?
He is 3 years old now.
Oh, okay. He's so cute.
Yeah, actually, here it's 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Over 1 a.m. here. Yeah,
he should be sleeping.
He is not asleep. Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
이거.
Yes.
Okay, so global warming can have what effects? Which word? Go here.
Greenhouse gas.
For
Can-
this part,
Yes, global warming can have a
which word means very serious or very much?
extreme
Yeah, good.
impact. Can have extreme impact.
Yeah, good.
Mhm.
Okay, number 2.
Yeah, the Earth's temperature has been rising.
Yeah. Okay, so for this sentence, the grammar, we have to use ing.
Yes, rising.
Yeah,
Mhm.
good. Okay, and number 3.
There is an increase of harmful atmosphere. Harmful.
Atmosphere goes here.
Yes.
What goes here?
Global warming.
No, global warming is in number 1. It's already used.
Harmful in the Earth's atmosphere. Increase. I have no idea, certainly.
Greenhouse gases.
Yeah. Greenhouse gas.
There is in harmful greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere.
Yes, there is an increase of harmful greenhouse gas in the Earth's atmosphere.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, today almost words is new for me.
Yeah, I can understand. Okay, so I cleared the page. Let's do it one more time. See if you can do it better this time. Okay.
Yes.
So let's try again. Global warming can have what effect? It's the same. Let's do it again.
Extreme.
Yeah. Good.
Extreme impact.
Okay. Number 2.
The Earth's temperature has been rising.
Very good.
There is an increase of harmful greenhouse gas in the Earth's atmosphere.
Very good. Okay. Good. Okay. So can you write your own sentences with these words and phrases?
Yes.
Okay.
Global greenhouse gas is greenhouse gas is greenhouse gas is greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas.
You can change to rise into rising or past tense rose. You can change the form. You don't have to say to rise. So greenhouse gas is rising.
Yeah, greenhouse gas is rising. Is rising. Has been rising.
That's very good. Yeah.
Yes, has been rising. To radiate. To radiate.
So remember, radiate means when something has a lot of energy or heat and it goes out in rays.
Oh,
Right? Like the sun
Yes.
radiates heat.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Greenhouse gas is radiate is radiating all over the world.
Radiating what? Like radiating, you have to
Uh,
say what is radiating.
Radiating in in atmosphere.
Yeah.
Not natural.
No, because radiate is about heat, right? It's when something is really hot and the heat comes off and you can feel the heat even when you are far away.
Yeah.
So it radiates. So we could say greenhouse gas is causing the earth to radiate heat because the heat cannot escape, so the earth is getting hotter and hotter, right? So we could say that greenhouse gas is causing the earth to radiate heat.
Yes. Greenhouse gas is causing the earth to radiate heat. Extreme.
Your baby is extremely tired and wants attention.
Yeah, exactly. Extreme. My concerns is extreme about global warming.
Okay, so good sentence, but some grammar problems. So let me fix it for you.
Yes.
So you said my concerns is extreme about global warming. First thing, concerns with a plural with an S should have are, not is. And then
yes,
and then the object global warming should be before concerns. So my concerns about global warming are extreme. Global warming are extreme. There we go.
Yeah, my concerns is extreme about global warming. My concerns about global warming are extreme. This sentence is perfect and correct.
Okay, so you have used greenhouse gas a few times, so let's just do atmosphere.
A few times. Greenhouse gas is greenhouse gas effects about global warming.
What about the word atmosphere? You have used many sentences with greenhouse gas, so just do atmosphere. Make the sentence with atmosphere.
Atmosphere. atmosphere over the earth is getting warm.
Okay. So you said the atmosphere of the Earth is getting warm. We could say the Earth's atmosphere is getting warm.
Mhm.
There you go. Yeah, that was really good.
The Earth's atmosphere is getting warm. Now I pronounce it atmosphere first, but now getting almost perfect.
Really good pronunciation.
First, I couldn't pronounce this word.
When you do it many times, it gets better and better and better. So, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have
Thank you.
3 minutes. Maybe we can finish this article, and then in your next class, you can tell the teacher continue slide 8.
Yes.
So read the article, and then we can.
Okay. Read it, discuss. Greenhouse gases have both natural and human causes. Sources. However, since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution around 1750, there has been a 45% increase in the concentration of carbon
Dioxide.
dioxide, a greenhouse gas in the atmosphere.
Good.
Atmosphere. Yes.
So, do you believe that human actions are mainly responsible for present day global warming?
Yes.
Why do you think so? Like, what are some of the things that we do?
We use for example, as we use electric car and solar, and we trying to use solar energy.
But those are the good things that we are trying to do to fix the problem. What did we do to cause the problem?
You want gummy berry?
Some candy at 1 o'clock in the morning?
No, gummy berry. Yeah, gummy berry. First
Okay.
gummy berry. Yeah.
It keeps him quiet. It's okay.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
The biggest problem is factories, right? Factories are causing a lot of pollution, especially in Asia and that part of the world, China specifically, but also Japan, and because they have a lot of the nuclear energy and the nuclear waste. So factories is definitely a big problem. Cars is a really big problem. People who drive when they could take a bus or a subway. But that being said, cars would be okay if we had less animal farms. The biggest problem we have right now is beef. The farms where cows live to create beef for people to eat. So that's why many vegetarians say we need to stop eating meat. Anyway, our time is over.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I have to say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye bye today.